Hey guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed our last video where we installed the Tomei version 3 single exit exhaust on our GR86. In case you didn't know, they made a new release where the V3 fits the first gen and the second gen, and it exits out of the driver's side, the left side of the car. The version 2 that they released for the GR86 came out the right side only. Some people didn't like that, and it's just a completely different design. So stay tuned. We're gonna actually do a little mashup video here for you guys where we're gonna do the V2, V3, and the Type-D dual exit exhaust, and we're gonna put them all together. And I'll also put some coupon codes on screen, so make sure you watch through the whole thing. It's the best way to get discounts with all the new prices and everything going on. The other way to get good deals is always give us a call. We can give you special discounts that are not advertised on our website. So thanks a lot for watching. See you guys on the next video.